Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you can get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you've got a relatively spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have these little tie-down points with lassos on them on either side, 12-volt power outlet, and the power button for your rear cargo lights that can be articulated to shine where you need them. And then underneath the rugged cargo floor, you have your full-size spare with some extra room for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial leather and cloth interior, fold-out armrest with two cup holders, USB and USB-C, as well as a 110-volt power outlet, and then the backs of the seats have zippered pouches, as well as molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. This vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You also have 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat and mirrors, as well as having a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can look at your trip information, tire pressures, your now playing, fuel economy. Then you can also go into further information and settings. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, adaptive steering, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, as well as your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which does have a nav screen, so you can hopefully avoid getting lost. It is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls with your hazards and auto start stop shut off. You've got a little tray area underneath that, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Below that, you have this tray area with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. Then you've got your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, deep snow sand, or just sand actually, but you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you've got your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.